Hey, so logarithms, here's a question, and we're going to do a second one. So this one, to solve this, the first thing you need to do is just keep this log base 2x the same, and then 3 stays the same. But this, you could bring the exponent down, and you get minus 3/2 log base 2, 4. And then again, log base 2x equals 3 minus 3/2 times log base 2, 4 is 2, because basically log base 2, 4, it's asking you 2 raised to what power gives you 4. 2 raised to 2 will give you 4, so the log base 2, 4 is simply 2. Yeah. And then we still have log base 2x equals 3. The 2's will cancel here, so you'll end up with 3 minus 3, and then log base 2x equals 0. X equals 2 to the power of 0, changing from logarithmic form to exponential form. 2 to the power of this equals x, and therefore x equals 1, and that's the answer for that one. So here's another log question. With this one here, the first thing you need to do is just move everything to the left side. So you'll have log base 3x squared minus 6 log base 3x plus 9 equals 0. So since the bases, both of these bases are the same, you just clear that a little bit. If you look at this deeper, you'll see this is a quadratic, because this is like this squared, and this is the same thing, minus 6x log base 3x, I mean, plus 9. You could factor this into log base 3x minus 3. 2 numbers multiply to give you 9, and add to give you -6. So, and then log base 3x minus 3. Perfect square trinomial. And therefore, from here, you'll see that log base 3x minus 3 has to equal 0. Log base 3x equals 3. Change this to exponential form, so x would equal 3 to the power of 3, which x equals 27. Let's say you want to check and make sure this works, then you just go log base 3, 27, because x is 27. All of that squared equals 6 log base 3, 27, because x is 27 minus 9. Now here, log base 3, 27 is 3, because log base 3, 27 is asking you 3 to the power of what is 27? 3 to the power of 3, so that would be 3, and then you still have the square there, minus 6 log base 3, 27, as I said, it's 3 minus 9. Here you get 9, and here you get 18 minus 9, which is 9 equals 9. And then let's check. Okay. And this is it. It's pretty hot in here. Victoria, BC, we're not used to 33 degrees Celsius. So it's been very hot in Victoria. But anyways, thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.